So, this morning I just recorded my coffee machine in order to have a sound design session with it. That's the sample that I got from my phone. The first thing I did was create the dry wet rack and adding a utility in swap mode to make the sound mono and full again. But then adding a tiny bit of delay on that second track just to make some stereo again. Then what I did was focus on the low end by cutting those high frequencies, adding some distortion. Then I added this LFO just to modulate the feedback of the delay here and to create those kind of ringy artifacts that will feed nicely into the distortion. What I did then was just adding an EQ with an LFO to kind of make some movement in those mid-frequency ringy harmonics there, and adding the spectral resonator in parallel to kind of make a sub-layer, clean sub-layer. So spectral resonator here just playing a super important role, creating this sub-layer that's playing underneath and just making it so low and big and raw. Then I just added this rack here. I like to do this to kind of fit some mono signal into the whole thing at the end, just to kind of make it bigger again. Could even play a bit more with the low and high end cut here. Then maybe why not just, playing with a different octave, pitching it down, get it to growl a bit more. I had this second one. It's another sample that I recorded this morning and just added the same chain but with some different stuff. Here a boost in the highs instead of cutting it. There's modulation on the feedback in the delay here again, but there's a disharmonics preset of the delay here too. Some more modulation of frequency shifting, some grain delay, full wet, and some I put everything in there, the reverb and the phaser and everything to kind of make it more stereo, more wide, make a different layer. Why not, maybe add it with the first thing that we did, create more movement and more layers. Maybe play this one too at the original pitch. Maybe we need to put some frequencies here and there. Well, that's pretty much it. I mean, you could resample that, play in a granulator with it or whatever. It's a nice low drony texture. That was it.